Is your CPM low on your channel, and are you thinking about applying a new strategy to increase the CPM on your channel? Then this is a video that you should definitely watch till the end, because I'm going to be talking about what strategies that you need to actually implement. Now guys, you need to understand something, that once you start a channel, the strategies that you implement at the beginning is going to be different to what strategies you're going to apply after you reach monetization. Now the first aim for any channel is to get the requirements for monetization. To the strategy that we applied on Health Vibe Zone to reach the 1,000 subscribers is different, which you can watch in this video. Then after we reach the 1,000 subscribers, the strategy that we implemented to reach the 4,000 hours was different as well. You can watch this video for that. After completing the requirement, now we're in a position that we want to actually increase the revenue that we receive on the channel. And what we need to do to increase the revenue on the channel is what we're going to look at. The two terms that you need to understand is CPM and RPM. CPM means cost per milli. RPM means revenue per milli. Milli means 1,000. So that means that what money you would receive after 1,000 views have been achieved on your channel. Now there's two ways to actually get income. The first one is income on the video that you get, then is revenue what you will receive on the channel itself. So we're going to understand what these two things are and how we determine we can maximize the cost per milli and the revenue per milli, and what strategies that we need to implement. So let's head over to Health Vibe Zone. Now, as you can see, this is a channel that we started from scratch. You can watch the videos on 10 automation, what we did and how we did it. We have more than 2,000 subscribers and 49 videos. So let's head over to the channel dashboard. As you can see, we have become part of the YouTube partner program. That means congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program, and now we can monetize our channels and get support as well. We have more than 75,000 views. We have 2,179 subscribers. We have 9,200 watch hours, and we have actually got $53. So let's head over to the analytics and check this out. Now the analytics have changed, guys. They have added a new metric over here, which is the estimated revenue. We have 165,000 views, 9.2K watch time, and more than 1,800 subscribers. As you can see, the subscribers over here and the watch time over here, these are for the last 28 days. In total, we have 2,180 subscribers. Now this is the revenue that we achieve. So if you click on estimated revenue, we'll be able to see how much money we're making. If you see all these videos that came in the past, we did not earn anything on them. Like I had explained in the previous video on day 33, that we will not gain income from the views that we got in the past. But as and after we got monetized on this date, we received 25 cents on the 7th of May. Then on the 8th of May, we received $52.84 in just 1 day. Now guys, the thing that you need to understand is that if you want to increase your RPM, if you want to increase your CPM, you need to understand what they are. Now the first thing that you need to understand is that how and why you get earnings on YouTube. Now YouTube actually shows ads that come at the start or in the middle of your videos. What that means is that advertisers actually pay to get those advertising to be displayed on your videos. Now when the ad gets displayed and someone watches that ad, you actually earn money from that. If someone actually goes and clicks on the ads and buys something, you also get a share of what they buy. So the more interaction that you have, the more income that you can actually generate. Now every single niche has a different CPM. CPM is cost per milli. So this is the cost that is required that the actual advertiser needs to pay to YouTube. The revenue per milli is what you will actually receive after the payment has been done to YouTube, and YouTube actually shares 55% of the revenue that they get from the advertisers. One of the major things which a lot of young YouTubers don't seem to understand is they feel that the rate is going to be flat and the same for all the titles, which is completely wrong, guys. Even within the health niche, it's going to be different. And why it's going to be different, I'm going to show you. Now if I go ahead over to the content over here that we have on Health Vibe Zone, you'll see that we have a lot of different videos. For example, this particular video that we have over here is about what happens to your body when you drink turmeric water. Now this is a completely different video which is scheduled, which is going to come in a couple of days, which I'm going to show you the revenue for. But if I click on views over here, you'll be able to see the maximum views that we have is for this video. The second video that is doing really well is the beat cancer. Now every single one of these videos is going to have a different CPM CPM and RPM. As this is a new channel that has got monetized, it takes some days for it to actually get into the algorithm, for it to be shown to people that are interested in those particular videos. Now, if there's videos about chia seeds, if there's videos about 10 brain boosting drinks that you need to know about, is going to have a different RPM. And the reason why it's going to have a different RPM, because we have not mentioned one particular thing. If the title was about 10 vitamins or supplements that you need to take to increase your brain boosting abilities, is going to have a higher RPM, is going to have a higher CPM. The reason why is now we have targeted this particular title to who? To those pharmaceutical companies that are making these supplements. And when they show the ad for the supplement and someone buys it, they're going to make money. And you're going to make money because your video is talking about those supplements. But if you're talking about water and you're talking about normal turmeric drinks and things like that, there is no advertiser that is selling a product or service connected to that. So now our strategy is going to be different to what our strategy was when we started the channel to get the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now we're going to focus on titles that have products, titles that have services, and companies and organizations that actually create those products and services. We're going to be talking about different elements that you can use, and we're going to create titles that actually have a higher CPM. So meaning advertisers are spending a lot of money to get that product and service across to individuals. So a higher CPM means a higher RPM. A higher RPM means that you will earn actually a lot of money from that particular video. The second way that you can actually increase the income from your videos is to put more ads in your video. How you do that? This is what you need to do. If you head over to the content, you'll see this particular icon. If you click on the icon, you'll be taken to the next page. Now, in this page, you'll see that you can actually review the placement and add ads during and mid-roll. Now, in order to add mid-roll ads, you need to have a video that is more than 8 minutes. If the video is less than 8 minutes, you will be unable to do that. Now, as you can see, I have added ads on the start, and then in the first minute and the second minute, then in the end. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ads that are placed on this particular videos. That is the reason why I've actually earned $52.39 just on this one video. And you can do that as well, guys, if you understand what you need to do. Now, if your channel is monetized and you're in a position that you're not earning and you don't understand why you're not earning, you can always share the channel with me on my WhatsApp and on Discord as well. And I'll be more than happy to help you and guide you. You can also comment in the comment section and tell me what issue you're facing, and I'll try to answer your question in the comment as well. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and share these videos with those individuals that are facing these issues and want to resolve these issues and actually earn a passive income from YouTube. Now, if you have any other questions, if you have any suggestions for that matter, you can also share them with me. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.